Here is one of the commonest problems that a lot of people are facing about Facebook monetization. Yes, especially those who just created their page newly. This is a question that someone asked: has anyone with less than 90 days page old gotten monetized? Yes, you get to see how and why most of them don't get monetized. Yes, this is the biggest problem that a lot of people are facing. Some were having their monetization rejected even after having pages for 90 days, for so many days. But why is it that way? This is what you need to know. Yes, that you need an average of 90 days consistency of posting before the system will study you to know exactly what your page is about. That is the first step you need to be aware of, because if you do that mistake by not posting consistently, the system will not identify what exactly you are doing and who you are. It's just like creating rapport with somebody you just met. Interacting with that person for a minimum of 3 4 months will make you have an idea on who exactly that person is. So that is how the algorithm is designed. Secondly, for a 90 days page, it's practically a page below 90 days, it's practically impossible for it to be fully registered on the system to be known. And it's also not possible for it to even be placed on Google search for other people to know. If you want to know if your page is actually moving in the right direction, you can just go on Google search like this and then type the name of your page on Google search. Type it on this Google search environment. So once you type it on the Google search environment, the name will be the result. You get to see the result on the list of the pages that will appear. That is the second stage. The third stage you need to be aware of is when you post consistently for that 90 days, the system will identify your particular niche and then it's going to be recommending it with other people that have similar content. Because at first, when they don't know you, it gets very difficult to recommend your page to people. So how do you really know that your page is already on track? By the time you go to your that analytics here, when you go to your analytics here, which is this your views, insight, you scroll down, you will get to see this point. This will give you an idea on how people are watching your content. If you are seeing from followers and then the number of non-followers is less, it means the system is no longer recommending your it's not yet recommending your content. Once you get to begin to recommend your content to non-followers, you get to see that the number of non-followers will be more than followers. So that is it that you need to be aware of. So make sure you follow the rules of Facebook and other social media platforms so that you don't get restriction or copyright issues. Thank you once again. Don't forget to keep a date for more.